Alright, so we start off today's video with the side table DIY. And if you guys already follow this channel, you know that I love watching DIY side tables. They're just so much fun to look at. Not that I would actually ever attempt to make any of them unless I, somehow managed to get some free time, but this is just such a cool aesthetic. She goes in with this bright orange and yellow ombre color. And I've never seen this kind of design before. I think that this is really cool. Very different as well. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. Welcome, welcome, welcome. On this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this next DIY involves some type of floral ice bucket. Now, I think that this would be a really cool aesthetic or setup for Mother's Day, or if you have brunch or something like that. It would probably smell really fragrant and delicious as you guys are pouring your champagne. Wow, very cool. So yeah, she did end up using that for brunch. And then we have a coffee table DIY. So this one features a tire. Wow. Oh, wow, that is really cool. So I think unfortunately we don't have the full video for how she actually did this. But if I can find it, I will feature it in another video. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And then here we have an IKEA DIY. So she's also making a table here. This is a very simple design. We already saw the end result. But definitely a beginner-friendly way to make a side table. Very cool. And honestly, you could even leave it with that top being with the exposed wood. I think that looked pretty. Very nice. I feel like that would make for a really nice outdoor side table as well. And we have someone with two pots here, two planter pots. So she's spray painting these white. Oh, she made a table too. Very nice. I like the rope detailing. That looks really, it added some interest to it. Another coffee table DIY. Wow. For under 50 bucks. Oh, that is crazy. That looks like it would cost thousands of dollars. That's insane. That came out so crazy good. Brilliant. You want your dressing room to feel like a hotel. Or you wanted your dressing room to feel like a hotel. Ooh. Oh, so this is someone's closet space. I thought it was their room. Wow. Look at this upgrade. Oh, yeah. Very nice. They got all the bells and whistles for this one. Look at the lighting. And then we have a lamp back again at IKEA. So I thought that this was interesting. We already saw the end result, and we've seen this mushroom style lamp kind of take over TikTok, and they simply just reversed the way that they did the top, and I really like this shape. I like it better than the mushroom, I must say. Look at this. Oh, she adds one at the bottom too. Wow. Very nice. Absolutely in love with that one. Alright, so here we have some type of fabric lamp. Okay, so we're watching them get some snacks. I don't know. Get to the DIY. Alright, so I guess they got what they needed. Okay, what is going on with this video? Because we are just like watching this man's like whole life. Okay, so now we get to the good stuff. So it looks like he's using some type of like netting for this DIY. It's actually a really cool idea. I'm not gonna lie though, the black kind of makes me think of like Halloween, like spider webs. I don't know. Wow, that looks really cool. And then we have a thrifted DIY. That's a really nice shaped vase here. Ooh, more of that orange shade. Baking powder for texture. So kind of giving it like that terracotta look. Very nice. And this is once again a very simple beginner-friendly project. Alright you guys, so I hope you did enjoy checking out all these DIYs with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.